Hello guys, myself Venkat Kumar. Okay, now I am going to talk about a face-based attendance system using Nvidia Jetson AGX Xavier device. Okay, this is my first project in Jetson AGX Xavier. Okay, so that I share my experience in this project. Okay, I I was segregated two section in this video. First section is the theoretical part. Second section is the practical part. Now I am going to theoretical part. Okay, first introduction. Okay, this project is space-based attendance system using Jetson device. Okay, uh, what is attendance system in past days? Okay, what are the different way of taking attendances past ways? Okay, first one, in childhood we are going to the school. Teachers taking called out your name and take down your attendance in a notebook. This is the first thing you notice. That second stage, you are going to the school. It's a QR card. You can put it out the device in the QR. It put out the device. The attendance are note down. Note note down automatically. This is the second part. Third part, you note down is the biometric. It's the fingerprint part. Is the third things. Okay, this three things. Technology related is the second or third thing. Is QR bar detection, and then and, and then fingerprint detection. But previously the COVID situation in the everyone, it's untouchable moment. Okay, COVID situation, it's a very tough situation. It did not touch one person touching place. It did not touch sanitizing that place, and another person touch to the same place in this device or anything. Okay, that kind of situation we are mostly preferable for a face recognition based attendance system. This is the main thing. Okay, that's why I decided to start this project. Okay, that is the main part. Okay, it's a face recognition attendance system. It's a very various thing. We are using different kind of libraries and different kind of things. But I'm majorly using only D-Lab. It's very accurately detecting the face and not tracking your tracking your times and anything. Okay, this is the major thing. This is the introduction part. Okay, what I'm telling is the face-based recognition system is it's uncontactable one, and also easily located the persons in example, it's a company. It's going to the attendance, and then going to any places around the company. It's easily identify that the person, and called out the person. That is the major thing. Is the camera based attendance system, and also tracking system. That is the major part of this project. Okay, and then I previously stated this is the problem statement. What are the problem statement? What are, I was a solution. Solu- uh, I given the solution this problem statement. Okay, what are the problem? I previously told that I already told that it's the biometric, it's the fingerprint recognition and the QR code, and it's the note down the attendance for notebooks. This kind of things the problem. Okay, so it's all or direct contact. You can go to example, you can go to the biometric fingerprint. You go to the put out the finger and identify your finger recognizing your finger and note on the database or anything. Or else you are put out the QR code system. You put out the QR code in this device, and note on the it's take the sometimes, so that we reduce the time basis, and also very accurate one. Okay, that's why we are proposed face recognition based attendance system. That is the things we prefer that in this solution. Okay, that is the my objective. Okay, I already told that this is the face based attendance system using Jetson Nano. Okay, this is my objective. And next, Prerequisite. Okay. I told that why we are choosing the face-based attendance system. I previously told that. Okay. Okay. Now we know what is face recognition. Okay. Everyone knows face recognition in daily life. Everyone using face recognition in daily life. How it's possible? Okay, you are taking it out to the camera. It automatically take it out the face detection, automatically take it out the bounding box in your face. That is the face detection, it's not a recognition. Okay, but how to what kind of what are the process we are doing the face recognition process? This is the main thing that we are going to deeply discuss about what are the face recognition, what are the process we are followed in face recognition. Okay, second thing uh, is the Jetson Nano or AGX Xavier. How to access this kind of devices, this kind of edge devices. This is the major thing, main important because we are developing the edge device product, so that we are going to we are now what is Jetson Nano, what is AGX Xavier, so that first we are learning this kind of things. Okay, so first I'll talk about face recognition using DLab. Okay, I previously told that what is face recognition. Everyone knows face detection. Okay, you get the phone, put it out the camera, you can see your face. It's bounding box are coming. That is the face detection. Okay, face recognition means I am Venkat Kumar. Okay, get it out of my phone. Put out the camera or apps, the app are open, the camera also on, the face is this is Venkat Kumar. That is the face recognition. Example, anyone, since my friend Vicky or anyone, it's you put it on the phone, it gives that this is Vicky. This kind of things is face recognition. What are the back process in the face recognition is the four steps. Okay, is the first step is face detection. Okay, second step is face alignment using facial landmark. This is the very important step. This step is increasing the accuracy. Third step is face encoding. Fourth step is face recognition. This is the final steps we are knowing. Okay, it's easily callable. Okay, now deeply discuss about each steps. Okay, first, what is face detection? What kind of method using the face detection? Okay, the first step, everyone knows is the basic things. Okay, you can teach up any models. Okay, it's the everyone knows the Opencv or anything. You are knowing the or cascade classifier is the predefinedly trained training algorithm, face training algorithm. This is the good model, one of the good model in the face detection. Okay, and second is histogram based oriented gradient model. This also is the good method. Example, what are the HOG? Okay, example, you can put it out the one input image, another image, you can put it out the another image. Okay, the histogram basis is the bar graph. Okay, each pixel go it out the how many levels. Every pixel got 0 to 255, so that we can analyzing the each pixel values in the histogram basis, and identifying the faces. That's thing we are using HOG. Okay, and also we are detecting the faces using deep learning methods also. Okay, deep learning it can be high accuracy, but face detection is enough for or cascade classifier. Okay, this is the most enough things is the face detection. This is the first process. First, you can put it out the you on your mobile phone or laptop, anything, to the camera, and first detect any faces, not recognition, detect any faces. This is the first step. Second step is, this is the important steps for my project I previously represented. Okay, this is the DLib. DLib means it's a DLib landmark means it's the face 68 landmarks, 1 to 68 landmarks. It can be giving the high accuracy of my our project. Okay, this project. Why I am saying this is the accuracy. Okay, fast you can note it down. Fast you can this process, and this process is optional one. Okay, first you can doing the detection, next process is encoding, third process, final process is detecting the recognizing the faces. Okay, but you can check it down, or put the faces that did not recognize anything. You can one side faces you did not recognize in your faces, this is not vk. Okay, that kind of things, that kind of error also coming, so that we decide to move on for DLab. Okay, DLab means is the opencv algorithm. Okay, this is the phase. It's the 68 landmarks. It's a 1 to 68 landmarks. Okay, these landmarks are put it out the each phases. Okay, each phases, and cut it down the landmark, and identify the particular phases. That is important, because you cut it on these phases, it gives the more accuracy. You put it, you side view, your side view also this kind of phases. Okay, this also giving the this is vk. Okay, comes because the landmark portion, this portion is taken. Okay, and give it out the good result. That's why we are using phase alignment. Okay, this is the important of my project, our project. Okay, and third system is phase encoding. Once done in phase detection, phase alignment, and third step is phase encoding. Okay, this step is encoding the phases, extracting the phases means you give it out to the you give it out the model. Okay, example, you give it out the model, this is the phase or not. Okay, the phase encoding process is detecting the phase. This is the phase. Okay, and encoding the phases for the system. Okay, this is the major thing, we are using phase encoding, so that we are put it out, we process the face image to the model and extract the features of the face. Feature means this is the nose part, this is the eye part, this is the mouth part. That is the feature of this face. Okay, that is the major thing. And finally we got the face recognition. We use face recognition. Why we are using face recognition? The face recognition finally comes under the different algorithm. Okay, different algorithm. This is the Venkat Kumar, this is the it's a Haris, this is the Vicky, this is a Vishnu. That kind of this kind of different persons identifying using this kind of algorithm. We are using this kind of algorithm. This is the four stages we are using the face recognition process. But important is facial landmark. Okay, this is the DLab, using DLab. Okay, this is the 68 landmark. We another thing is also media pipe. It's a 468 landmark, so comes under the media pipe. Okay, this is also very high accuracy in this project. But just enough as the 68 landmark is just enough for this project, because the attendance system mm, comes under the low memory consumption, so that system requirement as everything is low, and then low memory high accuracy is the DLab is giving enough. Okay, you can go it out the 3D or some kind of project. We are going to the high kind of landmarks, 468 or 2048 landmarks point in our faces. Okay, that kind of things we are record, that kind of approach. This project we are enough to the 68 landmarks, so that we are going to the elaborate. This is the main important part of this project. Okay, we are going to the second part. What is the second part is AGX Xavier. How to this is the main important part of this project. First part is software side, second part is hardware side. Hardware side, how to use Jetson Nano, how to use AGX Xavier. This kind of things is very important. Okay, so important part. Okay, it's a AGX Xavier is very higher end part. This is the beast mode part. Okay, what is beast mode? Why I am calling the beast mode is it's gives the very higher end GPU, high, higher end GPU, high memory level, everything is high. And then it can majorly this AGX Xavier using for UAV applications, robotic applications, segmentations, and object detection. This kind of application we are using AGX Xavier. Okay, this is the very higher end device in this industrial example. You go it out the industry, real time industries, quality inspection, or anything. Okay, we are going to the higher end segmentation process. So this is the segmentation process. We are taking very highest memory GPU power. This is the important record one, so that we are moving out AGX. Okay, it's generally speaking this project is uh, this project is enough to run in Jetson Nano. Jetson Nano is enough for this project. Okay, and this project requirement, because this is the attendance face recognition based attendance system using Jetson ACX, but in reality, it's Jetson Nano is enough this project. But at the moment, I have a AGX device, so that I am using AGX. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, now we are seeing the what is the specifications of this AGX. This is the very costly and also very 8 core Nvidia camel ARM processor. This kind of things, and also we are using 10 watts, 50 watts, or 30 watts, different power supply, and also 699 pin connectors. Okay, this is the main thing we are using, and also had the cooling fan. That is the main these are the things we are prefer higher end projects and higher end very segmentation, object detection, this kind of project we are choosing AGX. Okay, that is the main thing. And also how to because how to learn AGX, how to install the OS installation is the basic different classification project I am doing this kind of courses. So I also put it out this link. Okay, this is the main thing. And next, we are going to talk about proposed method. This is enough for prerequisite. Okay, the prerequisite part is the two part. Previously, I was saying that the first part is the what is face recognition, how to why I am choosing D lab in face recognition part. Second thing is Jetson AGX. Okay, how to use Jetson AGX, uh, and then resources. Why Jetson Nano is good for this project. Okay, this kind of AGX is also good, but Jetson Nano is good enough this project. This is the things we are discussing about the prerequisite part. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay, now going to discuss about proposed method. Okay, this is the enough for prerequisite part. Now going to the proposed work. Previously, I am told the my objective of this project. What is the objective? It's face recognition based attendance system, and also deploying the AGX device. Okay, first developing the coding part, next deploying the AGX, and also running out the devices. Okay, and finally stored out the data in database or whatever record folders or anything. Okay, in different formats, CBSE or XML, anything. Okay, that is the main thing we are suggesting. Why I am choosing main because it's the non-contact uncontactable one. It's a biometric uncontactable one. Example is the fingerprint is it's a different. Okay, it's a unique one. Fingerprint and I ball is different one, but fingerprint is different one, but it is the contact. Okay, it's gives the sometimes, so that we are preferable for the face recognition systems. Okay, 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 fine. What are the tools or record? This is the my objective proposed work of the project. Okay, what are the tools or record? Everyone knows. Okay, it's a AGX or Jetson Nano or any device. Oh, okay, you can take it out and set up your device. First you can take it. First you can boot up the AGX device and boot out the OS and install the requirement package. Okay, first setup is important, that is the important one, so that we can prefer this kind of things, and also take it out IDVS code or anything, you can take it out, or example you can put this is the Ubuntu base, and Nvidia Jetson is the Ubuntu based system, so that is AGX generally prefer for 18.04 Ubuntu uh, in Jetson. AGX also, AGX is now I am using very updatable OS is 5.1, so that this is the 20.04 Ubuntu OS, so that I preferable one. Okay, it's easily accessible for Linux, similar for Linux basis. Okay, this is the flow chart. Okay, what are the okay, we are now about why I am using face recognition attendance system, and second part is what is the prerequisite of this project, third part is tools, what are the requirement for your side, fourth part is now we are discuss about what are the flow we are going to this project. Okay, and I am not if I have time, it's deeply discuss about coding part also. Okay, now we are going to the flow of this project. Okay, first stage is start the project. Okay, start out the project, open out to the VS Code or anything, it's your editor one. Second thing, install your prerequisite libraries. Example, this project mainly Opencv. Okay, mainly I'm using Opencv Python, or and then DLab is the important one, and CMake is important, and NumPy. This is the prerequisite, these are all the prerequisite part. Okay, you can set up your device in this library. Okay, and then third stage is it's the initial capture moment. This one is first you can on the device, first input is important, so that we can give it out the input. Input means first capture the data. Example, first captured Venkat Kumar is the VK. Okay, first capture my device and store it out the database, or preferred your preferred devices or anything. Okay, uh, next process. Next process is the encoding process. First store the data and encoding the data. Okay, and then third process is the face recognition process. Previously I told the face recognition process, that process is running in the device. Okay, running the flow. Okay, face recognition, identify the faces using the landmarks, using the landmarks. So this is the things, this is the VK, going to go and compare to the folder. This VK photos are here, it's identify the landmark comparing to the features, and it's a VK. Okay, fine, it's a VK, enter into the CSV file automatically, and the project is stops. Okay, that is the important thing. This so that I say that first install the requirement file, and then first identify the faces using the faces recognition library, and store first take it out the faces and put it out the data in the attendance data or database. And third stage is identify the phases, and store it out the time tracking and date in CSV file, and put it out the CSV file in database, or preferable your folders or anything. Okay, this is the main thing. And then this is enough for this project, and then going to the demo section. Okay, demo section we are the finally. Okay, demo section we are see the next section, next part. Okay, what is the benefit of the project? This is the important, if going to the real time applications, we are think about starting to think about two things. First one is why we are doing this kind of project. Second thing, what kind of use cases. Okay. Third thing is uh, how to develop and uh, how to use the user side, client side. Okay. um, this project, this is the major thing of this every particular real-time project. Okay. So that this project benefit of this project is different ways. First one is time saving for your workforce or college or schools. Okay. Nowadays schools are very technological ones, so that this one. And then second one is increase the efficiency and the capabilities. Okay. Third one is in security part also increasing, and automatically time tracking, and then easy to integrating the other system. Okay. If the biometric is a device, any device is lost, is easily implementing the other devices. This is the major thing we are choosing, and easy to manage the records. Okay. Did not very much tough in this recording system. Okay. That is the main thing, main beneficial in this project. And this reference find. Hello guys, it's a simple demo. First, going to go to the project repo and clone the project, and the next process is change the directory and install the prerequisite libraries. I already installed, so that you can use this command and install the prerequisite library. And the next step is initially data captured step. This is the important step of the certain system project. Okay. Use this command python 3 initial data capture.py and enter. And did not shake your head. Put your name. My name is VK, and make sure your data is stored or not. Go and check your project folder, and my project folder is certain system jetson AGX, and go and check that. Okay. VK is stored, it's good. And the next process is, this is the main process. Okay. Run this command. This is the final process. Run this command bash run.sh or else python main.py. You can use any one command. Okay. I am use bash run.sh and enter this command. Make sometimes, and output is showing wiki is detected. Okay. Yes. Check this. Okay. Wiki is detecting. Why it's perfectly detected means it's the DLab. This DLab means it's the 68 landmark points. I already told it. It's the presentation section. Okay. And make sure enter quit this command. Enter the queue. Okay. And remove it. Make sure your data is entered or not. Go and check the attendance entry folder. Date is 9, time is 20:51. Okay. Day 2050. Go and check this. Data is entered or not. Okay. VK data is entered. Finally, data is entered. Okay. Just enough, guys. This is the at face recognition based attendance system using Jetson Nano or Jetson AGX. I am using Jetson AGX. Okay, if you I majorly preferred Jetson Nano is enough this project. Okay, I have a Jetson AGX, so that I prefer this one. Okay, just enough guys. And also next process is very important process. If you remove the data, I put it on the VK. Now I want to remove this data, so that Python 3 delete image. Okay, and enter the name VK. Okay, make sure your data is deleted or not. Go to the project file and attendance. It's VK, small VK. I already put it out. Small VK is deleted. Once again, I try that. VK, it's delete the comment. It's I want to delete V Venkatesan. Okay, enter, delete this image. Okay, this is the useful one, I think, in the attendance system project. Okay, this is the final process of this project. Thanks for watching, and I think this project is useful for you, useful to you. Try yourself guys. Happy learning.